Hey friends, this week we're working on line plots. And a line plot is a graph that uses X's or sometimes dots above a number line to record data. To read a line plot, we're going to count the number of X's or dots above the number on the number line. So let's look at this example. The line plot shows the number of books each student in Stephen's class read. So you can see the title right here, books read by students. And now we have a number line starting at 1, going to 10, and it's labeled number of books. And the question's asking how many students read exactly 8 books. So who thinks, let's go ahead and think for a second. What do you think that we're going to have to do to figure out how many students read exactly 8 books? How many read exactly 8 books? We're going to look at this line plot. We're going to look at number 8, and we're going to count how many X's, right? 1, 2, 3. How many X's there are on that number line right by 8. And so we could say that 3 students read exactly 8 books, right? Okay, and we can answer all kinds of different questions using the data from these line plots, okay? Let's keep practicing. All right, this example says Kevin measured some strings and recorded the data in the line plot below. So here are some string measurements, and it looks like they go from 0 inches, because it's labeled inches, all the way up to 1 inch, and they broke it off in 2/4. So we have 1/4, 2/4, which also equals a half, right? And 3/4. So the question's asking how many strings are 1/4 of an inch long. So going to that question, we're going to say how many, and they're asking for 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to go find 1/4, and we're going to count those X's above it. 1, 2. How many strings are 1/4 inch long? We would say 2 strings are 1/4 inch long. All right, let's practice this a little bit more tonight for homework, and we'll practice the rest of the week together too. Great job today, guys.